morning, ma'am. I am your student nurse for today. I am Jaya Abdullah, and I am here assessing your peripheral nervous system and lymphatic system. So, may I know your name, ma'am?
Christian Shivalanda.
Your age?
19.
So today, ma'am, I am here assessing your peripheral nervous system and lymphatic system. Tanawon na to if there is any problems or if there is no problems at all. So, pwede ba na po kawiran yung mga kamot, ma'am? Overall result niyo, ma'am, it's all normal. Thank you for cooperation, ma'am, and have a good day.